Welcome to 109 Weeping Oak Lane. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, privacy fenced backyard, as well as laminate vinyl plank hardwood flooring and granite and tile backsplash in the kitchen inside. It's located in the Oakwood Village subdivision in West Columbia, convenient to I-26 and I-20, as well as I-77 and Columbia and Lexington amenities. So we're out front. You see you have a 2-car wide driveway and the 1-car garage door with carriage style garage door. You also have some stacked stone and some vertical siding, and also stacked stone on the column for the front porch as well. So some nice architectural details on the outside. And you also have sort of a faux transom window and the nice entry window in the porch area. So we'll come inside. Nice sort of updated or more modern hardware, and you do have these sort of cool updated outlet and switch plate covers on some of the outlets and switch plates throughout inside as well. So you enter into a nice foyer area here, and you can see the luxury vinyl plank hardwood lug flooring mats throughout the main level, including in the powder room or half bathroom off of the foyer. So you have a pedestal sink, nice mirror, and modern light fixture in here, as well as a commode behind the door, and you can see that window just right out to the front as well. You have some, at the time of this video, you do have some sort of custom or upgraded leveler shaded blinds as well. You can see the stairs going up to the second level. We'll take a look downstairs first. You have more entry area where you can put some entry style furniture here or seating area. The access to the 1-car garage is on this side, and you also have this nice stash center here as well. And those just typically have some shelving for cell phones and other devices, and a charging port inside, or charging an outlet to charge inside. So out into the garage, again, it's a 1-car, pretty decent size. There's a mid-size or small SUV parked inside now just for some scale. But you can see it fits pretty comfortably in there. You also have a water shut-off, as well as your tankless water heater, which has some temperature controls on it out there as well. And then into the sort of main living area, you have a coat closet here on the left side, and just a view back towards that doorway. Then a nice open kitchen that's open to the living space there also. Recessed lighting in here, as well as granite countertops and a tile backsplash. You also have stainless steel appliances. There's a refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and dishwasher. And also a corner pantry, which has some really nice built-in organization, even some drawers at the bottom there. So that's a nice walk-in pantry. And then you can see open to the living room as well. There's also some built-in speakers with controls in the kitchen. I believe you can connect to Bluetooth. Dining area off the kitchen has access to the counter bar, a high bar, and then also the backyard area, access via the sliding glass door. And back here you have a nice backyard space with the sort of oversized patio. You can see there's a nice curved addition, and then the fenced backyard as well. And then back inside, again, nice large living area open to the other space, ceiling fan in here as you had in the dining room. And now we'll head upstairs. So you have some beautiful real hardwood treads on the stairs. A nice window as you come up as well. You'll also be able to see that from the landing. On the landing up here, you have carpeting starting for the second level. And then you have a nice sort of work nook, or you also could have a small seating area there as well. but takes it into the nice natural light in the stairwell. And then you can see your secondary bedrooms, bath, and laundry are over there, but the master is right off of this side. So you have a ceiling fan in the master, nice big window looking out towards the front of the home. On the back wall, you have your walk-in closet. It's a huge walk-in. You have nice built-in organization or just shelving going sort of around on 3 sides in there. So plenty of storage space and also a good bit of floor space also. And then the full bathroom full master bathrooms. You have a garden tub and a separate shower in here. So nice enclosed shower, and then your double vanity and large mirror. And then the commode is sort of tucked back behind a half wall there. And then back out, you have an attic access hatch there. Also the laundry room, which is going around. And you can see you have nice custom built-ins in the full-size laundry room. So loads of storage in there in those cabinets. And then also plenty of space for your washer dryer. Across the hall, you have your second full bathroom, which has solid surface countertops in here as you did in the other bathroom, in addition to a shower and tub. And then last but not least, 2 bedrooms, pretty identical at the back of the home, just sort of mirrored. And they have a single window facing out back and a decent sized closet across from that. And then here's the second one of those for the 3rd bedroom total. So that completes our tour of this home at 109 Weeping Oak Lane in West Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.